Today we're going to talk about KetoBHB. We, from Reviews of Wellness Products, have prepared a comprehensive review video with everything you need to know before buying KetoBHB. I also have some really important alerts that I will mention throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make any mistakes when using or making the purchase of KetoBHB. The first thing you need to know about KetoBHB is, be careful with the website where you're going to buy it, because KetoBHB is only sold on the official website. To help you, I've left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is KetoBHB, and does it really work? And the answer is yes. KetoBHB works, and after many laboratory tests. The formula of KetoBHB is composed of an essential component called beta-hydroxybutyrate, BHB. BHB is a natural compound produced by the body when we reduce carbohydrate intake. It is crucial to enter the state of ketosis, where fat burning occurs more efficiently. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people have had great results with KetoBHB, and on the official website, you can see the complete video where there are many testimonials about the product's efficacy. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually try KetoBHB for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So feel safe to use KetoBHB. But make sure you're buying it from the official website to ensure the benefits of the guarantee. Also, for KetoBHB to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day. By taking 2 capsules a day before breakfast and dinner, the KetoBHB supplement helps the body reach ketosis faster and more consistently. This way, the body is encouraged to use stored fat as an energy source, promoting natural and healthy weight loss. It's necessary to follow the treatment properly, or else you won't see significant results, and you may become a bit frustrated. You can see initial results in the first month. Also important for you to know, KetoBHB has no side effects as it is natural. So, I decided to record this video, first to warn you to be careful with the website where you're going to buy KetoBHB, and also, if you buy the product, take the treatment seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and I also hope that KetoBHB really helps improve your life and provides many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.